Can you afford to get a divorce if you're not employed and you're the non-moneyed spouse in a divorce proceeding? The short answer to that is yes, you can. One of the two parties in a marriage normally is paying the expenses associated with the household and maintaining the marriage. So if you are the non-moneyed spouse, you're a stay-at-home mom or a stay-at-home dad, you can be in a position where you can afford to get divorced. Why is that? The law affords you, if you are in a divorce proceeding and you're a non-moneyed spouse, it affords you a presumption of an award of attorney's fees. That means when you go to talk to an attorney, even though you don't have a job and you don't have income, if your wife or husband is employed and they are earning income and they are the main breadwinner for your family, they will be obligated to pay for your attorney's fees. Even if you're working and you're only making a little bit and there's a big disparity in income, the other party could be obligated to pay your attorney's fees. So you should be in a position, if you come to the office and talk to an attorney and you can provide some sort of documentation that proves that your spouse is making income, like a paycheck stub, a tax return with a W-2, bank account statements, or something of that nature, that's going to establish for the attorney that you're consulting with that your wife or husband is making enough income that they can afford to pay for attorney's fees. You should be in a position where attorney's fees would be awarded to you so you can afford to retain an attorney for purposes of prosecuting a divorce proceeding. You would probably also be the person that would be a candidate for spousal support, or what many people call alimony as well. It's a mathematical equation that your attorneys will go through when they have the consultation with you, and they can tell you what your spousal support would be, if there's kids, what the child support would be. But don't be concerned about talking to an attorney about a divorce proceeding if you are in a position where you're only working part-time, or you're a stay-at-home mom or a stay-at-home dad, or you're unemployed and your wife's working, and you need to talk to an attorney about the possibility of getting divorced. The law does afford you a presumption in favor of an award of attorney's fees for the non-moneyed spouse.